Hi, I'm Gary from organicweb.com.au and I'm a Mailchimp Pro partner. Lucy asked in the comments of one of my videos how she can send to multiple tags at the same time, how she can send an email to not just a single but multiple tags at the same time. By the way, if you have questions that you'd like me to answer, that you'd like me to make a tutorial about, please leave a comment on one of my videos. Also, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm in Mailchimp, as you can see, and under the tags field you can see that there are various tags. So how do I send to people, for example, that are tagged as Mailchimp corporate and attended training? So people that might have attended attended Mailchimp corporate training. That's very simple. If I go to create a new campaign, I'm going to click design email, and there are a few different ways of doing this. You may know a different way, and that's absolutely fine. I'll wait for that to load up. I'll click add recipients. I'll choose the audience. This is just a demonstration, but I'll choose organicweb.com.au demonstration audience. As you can see, I can send to all subscribers in my audience. I can click the down arrow. I can send to individual tags such as Mailchimp corporate training or attended training, but not multiple tags at this stage. Here's what we do. To send to multiple tags, we just click group or new segment, and we build our criteria. So where it says date added, click the down arrow, and I'll just scroll up a little bit and select tags. So where my contact is tagged, for example, corporate training, then add another criteria, add, and again I select tags, contact is tagged, for example, attended training. So this will show me all people then that have both of, because it's any, that have both of, have all, so have both tags of Mailchimp corporate training and attended training. So I update recipient count, and this is just a demonstration, but 3 people have been found. I can then click save, and that's how simple it is to choose multiple tags to send to. Please like this video. I'm Gary from organicweb.com.au.